who you are. Good morning to everyone. I, Aarti Dikshit,
I am Anupma Sharma.
in this competition, the participants are not only going to introduce their logo, but they are also going to introduce their house members, and previous year achievements. Now I'm hand over to Anupma ma'am.
Thank you, Aarti ma'am. We all know that competition is incomplete without judgment. So here we have our director of our school, Mrs. Satinder Kaur, principal director, Mr. Sushant Singh, and our senior IT teachers, Mr. Navneet Singh, and communication teacher, Mrs. Sandhya Sharma. So our students of four different houses, Jai, Pratap, Sangha, and Uday, are ready up here with their presentation. Hope we are going to get some valuable and magnificent progress. Now let's start the competition with Jai House.
Hi everyone, very good morning. I Arnav Sachdeva from class 10, feeling very privileged to represent J House in this logo making competition. We all have worked very hard and unanimously to make our logo our level best. Here is the logo.
I am Aditi Singh presenting in front of you the logo of J House. As you all can see, the base of the logo is shaped as a shield with the king's portrait standing in the center. The cubes around the king have been taken from the actual map of Jaipur planned by Maharaja Jai Singh himself. Also, the various patterns of lines on the top left of the base identifies the land which bears the glorious Nahargarh fort built by the king, shown with the help of 4 circles there itself. The whole together portrays the great achievement of Maharaja Jai Singh, but it also holds deeper meaning. The shield as the base is the symbol of teamwork, and the fine map is the sign of perfection. The walls of the fort symbolizes consistency, and the king portrays self-esteem. All of these are the qualities which we learn from the great history of Maharaja Jai Singh. Therefore, the complete logo is designed as an image of the ideologies and reforms Jai House believes in. Without any doubt, such beliefs will result in victory. Hence, clarifying our slogan, Jai Sarvada Jaishyati, Jai will always win. Thank you for your interest and attention.
Thank you, Aditi. Today, I, Abhay Pratap Singh, a co-member of Jai House, on the occasion of Inter-House Logo Making Competition, are here to tell you some interesting facts about my Jai House that you are not familiar with. First of all, the name of our house is after great ruler Jai Singh II. Jai Singh II was the ruler of Kingdom of Amber, who later founded the fortified city of Jaipur and made it his capital. He became the ruler of Amber at the age of 11 after his predecessor Sushant Singh died in 1699. He was given the title of Savai by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Bahadur Shah appointed Jai Singh to govern the important provinces of Agra and Malwa. Savai Jai Singh's experimental weapon, the Jaivana, remains the largest wheeled weapon in the world till date. The armed strength of Jai Singh had always made him the most formidable ruler in North India. Jai Singh initiated reforms in Indian society also, like abolition of Sati Pratha, and he also promoted Sanskrit language. 5 observatories termed as Jantar Mantar were built at Delhi, Mathura, Banaras, Ujjain, and in his own capital city, Jaipur, to make astronomical calculations. Jai Singh's greatest achievement was the construction of Jaipur city. Jai Singh's ambition in Rajputana failed after the Battle of Gangavana. It was the last battle fought by Jai Singh, as he could never recover from the shock and died after 2 years. For these multiple achievements, Savai Raja Jai Singh II is remembered as the most entitled king of 18th century in India till this day. From all of this, we get to know that Maharaja Jai Singh II had great qualities like valor, intelligence, interest in mathematics, architecture, astronomy, and many more. And that's why, because of these great qualities, we have named our house after this great ruler.
Thanks, Abhay. A very warm morning to all. This is Mitali Singh, here to represent J House on this logo making competition. As Abhay has already told about the great King Maharana Jai Singh. He was a great king and a banyan of his time. Now, I want to introduce my house members who have the same qualities like courageous, brave, believes in team spirit and hard work. So, in charge is Mrs. Kalpana Sharma and co-in charge is Mr. Satish. Now, let me to introduce my house members. Mr. Amarjeet, Mrs. Nisha, Mrs. Manpreet, Mrs. Asha, Mrs. Anita, and Mr. Rajat. Now, I would like to introduce our house achievements for the past few years. The achievements are won by J House with its dedication and hard work. So let's go. Inter-house mock parliament competition. There we secure third position. Inter-house live reporting competition. There we secure third position. Inter-house Christmas tree making competition. There we hold the position of first. Then we have inter-house Ganeshji making competition, and with his blessing, there we secure second position. Then we have inter-house sun salutation competition, and with our great hard work, we there secure first position. Now let's go with some of the sports events. Inter-house kabaddi tournament, we there secure second position in girls category. Then we have inter-house handball tournament, and there we secure first position in boys categories. Then we have inter-house basketball competition. There in the boys categories, we secure first position. And our house boy, who is also head boy from last 2 years, secure and got Yan Mangal scholarship. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, J House. The logo is very colorful. So I like the logo, and it shows that we can conclude that we have lot of colors in India, and Rana Jai Singh may be considered all the colors. Thank you, Jai House.
Wonderful performance by J House. Now the next house is Pratap House.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I, Palak Sharma from Standard 10P, along with my co-participants Pratika Solanki from 10B, Rudra Pratap from 8B, and Prahas Yadav from 6B, representing Pratap House, are up here to enlighten you all with the great son of Mother India, Maharana Pratap Singh. There is no Indian who has not heard the name of Maharana Pratap. Maharana Pratap was one of the greatest patriots of our country. He was not only the pride and glory of Rajasthan, but whole country. Pratap was the ruler of Mewar. He was born on 9 May 1540 in Kumbhalgarh, Rajasthan. But we celebrated his birth anniversary on Tritiya Tithi of Jyeshta Shukla Paksh. His father's name was Maharana Uday Singh and his mother's name was Maharani Jayavanti Bai. He was one of the greatest warrior in India with height of 7 feet 5 inches. Even with the army of 22,000 against the Mughal army of 80,000, Pratap bravely fought the battle of Haldi Ghati. He defeated Mughal Emperor Akbar thrice in 1577, 1578 and 1579. The Battle of Diwar in 1582 is considered as an important war in the history of Rajasthan, as Maharana Pratap's lost kingdoms were recaptured in this war. Mewa's greatest hero, Pratap, died at the age of 56 on 19 January 1597 after he was injured in a hunting accident. He died fighting for his nation, for his people, and most importantly, for his honor. He was the true son of Mother India. Pratap is still remembered today for his bravery and patriotism. We, the members of Pratap House, feel proud to have him as our role model and pledge to bring laurels for our houses as well as school. कुछ लोग हार कर भी जीत जाते हैं, कुछ लोग जीत कर भी हार जाते हैं। नहीं दिखते अकबर के ताबूत कहीं पर, राणा के घोड़े हर चौराहे पर आज भी नजर आते हैं। Thank you.
Thank you, Palak. There is only one thing that makes a dream impossible to achieve: the fear of failure. A very warm and fresh morning to one and all present here. I am Prahas Yadav from class 6B, here to announce the house achievements. But before announcing the achievements, I would prefer to announce the house members. So let's start with the introduction of in charge and co-in charge of our house. Mr. Raj Kishore Agrawal is the in charge of our house. He is a person full of zeal and he belongs to commerce stream. Next, our co-in charge, Mrs. Aarti Dikshit. She has a great intelligence of software programming. Now, let's move ahead. It's time to introduce our house members. Mrs. Mitlesh Kuntal belongs to Hindi department and she has a very good command on the language. Mrs. Rekha Srivastav, an art and craft teacher, and she is going to be very helpful in the art and craft work for the whole session. Mrs. Himanshi Chaudhary belongs to Sanskrit department and she will also help us in our linguistics. Mrs. Anu Singh belongs to science department. She will also be a supporting heart for the session. Next is Mrs. Ruchi Tyagi. She belongs to EVS and English department and we all know that she has a good skills of communication. Mr. Omveer Singh, a mathematics teacher, he will easily calculate all the ups and downs of our events. Mrs. Manika Mishra belongs to English department and she is a very well-known figure of linguistics. Ms. Nisha Gupta also belongs to English department and she has a very positive and friendly attitude towards kids and she is passionate for dance. Now it's time to announce achievements gained by our house in the past few years. Our house secured first position in inter-house quiz competition. In inter-house group discussion, we secured third position and we secured third position in inter-house mock parliament. Thank you.
Welcome to the logo presentation of Pratap House. I, Kritika Solanki, is up here to give a brief of our logo. A logo is a true identity of an institution or group. It speaks speech. Our logo is prepared by Master Rudra Pratap Singh of Standard 8B. He has used the mobile application Canvas with all its elements. The varicolor yellow of our logo represents the friendliness and positivity of our house. Maharana Pratap, the symbol of pride and honor, who fought to the last for his dignity and freedom. Also known as Mewari Rana, he became an icon of Suryavanshi. The sun represents wisdom, influence and strength of Suryavanshi. Maharana Pratap was a great warrior, as represented by the sword and the shield in the ribbon. Jodhran Rakve, Dharm ko tihi Rakve karta. The one who sticks to his religion, attached to his destiny, never loses in the battle of life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Pratap House. Yellow color which shows the brightness towards the life.
Next is our Sangha house.
Good morning, everyone. This is Himanshi Goel from class 11th PCM. And through this virtual platform, I am representing Sangha House with my friends Vinayak from 10th A, Abhilasha from 11th PCM and Abhi from 10th A. On this logo making competition, we have come up with a logo to represent our house with the help of Abhilasha and Abhi. First of all, I would like to introduce the pillars, the members of this house. Our house in charge is Mrs. Anupama Sharma, who is a very enthusiastic, helpful and innovative teacher. Same is the case with our co-in charge, Mr. Sanam Jain, who can provide excellent guidance in any field. Other members of Sangha House include Mr. Akhilendra Dubey, who is an English teacher and can help us with our language skills. Mrs. Anjana Sarpal and Mrs. Rakhi Joshi, who are toddler teachers, can teach and motivate kids in the best way. Mrs. Manisha Jain, with her mathematical knowledge, will help us in solving our problems easily and quickly. Mrs. Neha and Mrs. Rashmi are language teachers of Hindi. Mrs. Pratima Gupta can help us with our science experiments. And Mrs. Aarti Raghav can typically use her skill to educate and inspire students about chemistry. Now, I would like to go through some of the many achievements of Rana Sangha. Sangram Singh I, popularly known as Rana Sangha, was a king from the Sisodia dynasty. The Battle of Khatoli, which Rana Sangha fought against Ibrahim Lodi, was a resounding success for the Rajputs. The Maharana lost an arm by a sword cut, and
was made lame for lifelong by an arrow injury during the battle. But this did not deter his spirit even a bit. The biggest battle Sangha fought was the Battle of Khanwa against the first Mughal Emperor Babur.
My name is Vinayak Raj Singh, and through this virtual platform, I am going to portray Sangha House in front of you. I would like all of you to know about some of the feats the members of Sangha House have achieved on the virtual platform arranged by our school in this pandemic period, namely the Inter-House Mock Parliament, in which we achieved first position, Inter-House Group Discussion Competition, in which we again secured first position, as well as in the salad making competition, we secured first position, Inter-House Debate Competition, Live Reporting Competition, Surya Namaskar Competition, as well as in the virtual quiz. And not only that, we also secured first position in the sports criteria, got awarded for the best board decoration, and we were the runner-up of the previous year. Success. It is not always about greatness, it's about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success. And that's what the members of Sangha House have done. The members of Sangha House have always made the odds come true and are constantly proving their talent, and so have backed up in all the competitions in every field and aspect. And we will keep on exhibiting our flair in the upcoming years. Thanks.
This is Abhilasha Sharma from class 11. Today I am going to talk to you about our house logo. Our house logo is completely based on our house theme, that is, be brave, be strong, and be fearless. We have used 3 key elements to design our logo. I would like to start with the first one by giving you an overview of Maharana Sangram Singh, who is popularly known as Rana Sangha. He was one of the most courageous and wise king despite having lost his one arm and eye and having about 80 pounds all over his body. The next element in our logo is sword, which stands for strength, courage, and readiness to overcome difficulties. The last element chosen by us is life, reflecting dignity and wisdom. This shows our courage, justice, and braveness. So on the above basis, we can conclude that our house logo encourages students.
Thank you, Sangha House.
This is Niharika Singh from class 11 on behalf of Uday House, welcoming you all in the Inter-House Logo Making Competition. Here I am with my team.
Thanks my senior Niharika Singh. I, Akshat Goyal from 7th standard, would give a brief description about our house logo. Our house color is blue, which is the symbol of power and intelligence. In the background of our logo, there is a state emblem of Mewar. At the top of the logo, there is a sun, which is a symbol of Mewar Empire and their descendants. There is a picture of Maharana Uday Singh, on whom our house name is based. At the both sides of that picture, there are 2 tigers, which signifies bravery and courage. At the center of our house name is present. At the center, our house name is present. At the bottom, there are 2 swords which symbolize victory and honor. Our logo's all over shape is of a shield. The words written at the bottom of the logo are inscribed on the state emblem of Mewar, which shows their love and firmness towards their religion. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Akshat, for such a beautiful description. As we know that our house is named after Maharana Uday Singh, now I would like Agamjot to take over and throw light on the life of Maharana Uday Singh.
I, Agamjot Singh from class 7B, is here to represent Uday House. Our house, Uday House, is in the name of the brave Maharana from Mewar, Uday Singh Ji II. He was the founder of the city of Udaipur, and so the city was named after him. I would like to give you some brief information about this great warrior. Uday Singh Ji was the 4th son of Rana Sangha. He was born on 4th August 1522 in Chittor, Rajasthan. He was the 12th ruler in Mewar dynasty. In his early childhood, his elder brother and the then Maharana of Mewar, Vikramaditya, was assassinated by his cousin Banbir. Panna Dai, the nurse of Uday Singh Ji, sacrificed life of a son for him and took her to Kumbhalgarh, where he lived a secret life. In 1540, in Kumbhalgarh, Uday Singh Ji was crowned by the nobles of Mewar. His reign lasted for a long tenure of 52 years as the Maharana of Mewar. Uday Singh Ji had 24 sons, of which the eldest one was Maharana Pratap. In year 1572, Uday Singh Ji died, and then Maharana Pratap took over as the ruler of Mewar. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Agamjot, for sharing knowledge about Maharana Uday Singh. Now, I would like to introduce our in-charge and the co-in-charge of our house. Our in-charge of our house is Mr. Sunil Atri, who is a very composed and innovative person. Our co-in-charge of our house, Ms. Kartri Agrawal, who has a great experience and also helps us with her innovative and creative ideas. Now, without taking much of your time, I would like to set forth the achievement of our house in the past 2 years. In the inter-house chess tournament, we secured different positions according to the categories. In the inter-house musical drill competition, we secured first position. In the inter-house martial arts competition, we secured first position. And Uday House also secured first position in the basketball tournament in the category of boys. Moving forward, the session of 2020-21, we secured first position in the group discussion, and we secured first position in the girls category and boys category as well as of the chess tournament competition. Now, I would like to conclude my words by thanking you all for being patient and giving attention to us. And I hope that we'll be consistent and hardworking and again achieve different awards. Thank you and wishing you all a very have a nice day.
Thank you, Niharika. You all have done a very fantabulous job. You have practiced, or you have done your efforts. You have given more and more and more efforts to prepare a movie. Thank you for all.